In this video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the changes recently made to Socrative.com. We have two screens going on. The teacher's on the left and the student is on the right. There are changes to both sides. The first obvious change you can see just is the color scheme. Before it used to be a sort of black, dark color scheme. They've gone to more of the white, blue, brighter colors. The first change you kind of see here is before on the teacher side, the Manage Quizzes button used to be located here. It's now been moved to its separate tab up top. And other than that, the changes to the teacher in terms of the first screens really hasn't changed much. Functionality is still there. Creating a quiz, importing, getting reports, that's all done the same. So let's go ahead and start a quiz to show you some of the other changes. Here you can see everything's same. You still have the three tabs here, how you want to pace it, how you want to do your settings. So none of that has changed. So one of the changes we have here is on the teacher side. Here we used to have this percentage, which would just show the amount the student has done, completed. Now with this recent update, you could actually now get their current score. Now this isn't going to give you the score of what they've accomplished. So in other words, let's say that you have a 10-question quiz and the student has answered 3 and they've gotten 3 correct. It's going to say 30% because they've only answered 3 out of the 10 questions. So it is nice because now when everybody's done, you'll be able to get a quick look to see what their percentages were without getting any sort of reports sent to you. So that is a nice feature to have. The changes to the student, there's a couple. The big one is that you now have frames. So whereas before when I would select a question here, this entire screen would be moving, and the students, it was one of their biggest complaints. They wish that that question didn't move. And now with the update, it's not moving. You could select any question you want, and it's going to go anywhere. The other change, minor detail, is now when they select an answer, whereas before this would turn into a circle, it now just becomes a clear box. Everything for the teacher stays the same. It's still red if it's incorrect, green if it is correct. And so you can see here the progress. I've done 3% of the quiz. And if I go to score, I'm at 0 because I haven't got anything right. Other than that, like I said before, the functionality of Socrative has stayed the same. Just the addition of frames and this ability to view the score as they're currently taking the test. So that's just a quick overlook at some of the changes made to Socrative.